Hello. Today we're going to look at turning a percent into a decimal. So not that long ago we learned how to do a decimal to a percent, and we did something called D2P. So we did the decimal two places to the right. Okay, that was for decimals to a percent. Okay, so that was for that lesson. This lesson we're going to switch it. So we're going to turn our arrow the opposite way, so it's going to point to the left, and percent to decimals. So we're going two places to the left. So if I have 47%, my decimal, if I don't see one, is always at the end. And I want to go two places to the left. So to left. And then I get rid of the percent sign. So it'd be 0.47 when you could put the 0 in front of it, 0.47. Okay, what if I had 5%? Okay, this one's a little bit tricky. So my decimal would be right here, and I need to move it two places to the left. So that's 1, and if I get to that point, I have to remember that there's a 0 in front of that 5, and I got to jump over it too. So that's the thing that we want to forget. So do not forget that extra 0 there, because we have to go two places. So it's actually 0.05. So 5% is 0.05. Think about that with a test for a second. If you got a 5% on a test, well, first off, you didn't do very good. And hopefully none of you'd ever get a 5% on one. But if you got the answer as 0.5 when you did that and you forgot to put in your 0, you know 0.5 is 1/2. And a 5% means you didn't get half the questions right, so you know that's wrong. Okay, so make sure you put those zeros in for your placeholders. You have to move two places. If there's not something there, you put in a 0, because 0 doesn't change the number. If your percent's bigger than 100%, then we're just going to move it over two places. So we have the 1.84. Okay, so that's how you do these. It's really not too hard. It's one of the easier things that we're going to do.